Hi, my name is Stephani Prieto. I'm an associate here at the Nieves law firm, and today we're going to be talking about unlawfully transporting a firearm and the penalties associated with it. Now, let's first talk about the legal ways that you can transport a firearm, and then we can move on to the penalties. Now, generally, except for very specific requirements dependent on the type of weapon, this is how you would transport a firearm legally in California. First, the weapon would have to be unloaded. Second, the weapon would have to be in the trunk or in a case, a locked case in the vehicle. Lastly, you can also carry your weapon from your car to your lawful purpose in a carrying container that is locked. Now, let's talk about the penalties. If you're facing the charge of unlawfully transporting a firearm, you can actually face a number of different charges. Those can include carrying a concealed weapon, carrying a loaded weapon, or additionally, illegal possession of an assault weapon. Now, these charges are all generally wobblers, and what that means is that they can be charged as a misdemeanor or they can be charged as a felony. And those will be dependent on the facts of your case or additionally the circumstances of your record. There are also other considerations that the DA can take into account as well, and that is how they determine whether you're going to be charged with a misdemeanor or a felony. Now, let's say that you're charged with a misdemeanor for any number of these charges. That means that you can be facing up to 1 year in jail or up to $1,000 in fines. Now, if you're charged with a felony, you could be facing up to 3 years in jail and additionally up to fines of up to $10,000. Now, all of these charges additionally as a felony can carry additional circumstances that will affect you in the future. And that means that maybe you won't be able to have a gun in the future. You may be banned from legally owning a gun. Additionally, you can have immigration consequences that are brought to light due to these charges. Now, if you've been charged with any of these crimes, or additionally, if you have further questions about these topics, you can give us a call and we can see what we can do for you today.